YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and today I have a demo of Perfect Eyebrows in Seconds by Imethod Beauty, so stay tuned. So thank you Imethod Beauty for sponsoring this video. So this is what everything comes in, this little pouch that says Imethod Beauty. All of your little eyebrow goodies are in here, and these are the instructions for you to know how to use all of this stuff. So this is the brush that I'm unpacking, and the eye spoolie or the eye brush that you can use for your brows to apply the pomade. So this is the eyebrow pomade, and that's basically what you're going to be using to shape your eyebrows. That's what it's looking like inside. Very simple, very easy. These are the stencils. So all you would do is just choose a stencil that you would like your eyebrows to be shaped like. And I chose mine. I chose one that's a little more subtle, nothing too bold or anything like that. For my first try with this, I wanted to just be as simple as I could. So I'm just taking off the packaging, and that's the brow brush and the pomade. And so you just dip the brush in the pomade like that. I think I didn't put enough. I had to go back in and get some more. I didn't want to do too much. I wasn't sure, so I did a little bit, and then I went back in and put more on the brush. So now you put your stencil over your eyebrow, and then you just dab the brush over your eyebrows. I'm thinking maybe I should have put more on the brush, and I think I do actually put some more on the brush. But you just hold the stencil with both of your fingers, and you tap the brush that over the eyebrows, and the brush has the pomade on it, so it's giving your eyebrow that shape. So now I'm taking it off, and voila, look at that, perfect eyebrows. And you can see the comparison from my other eyebrow to this one right here. It also says in the instructions that you can go over it with a brush and pomade to fill in the sparse areas. So this is the other side. Now I'm doing the same thing, and I just flipped that stencil over, and I wiped it and then flipped it over, and then did the same thing on the other side. I'm just dabbing, 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 brushing, 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 well, really dabbing, and then I go over it to fill in the sparse areas. And voila, perfect eyebrows in seconds. So I'm just brushing it again just to smooth them out some. And yeah, it's a very subtle look. I didn't choose the stencil with a very high arch. Maybe I'll try that again next time. So now I'm going over with my foundation to clean up my brows. They say that you can use concealer as well. I don't have concealer. I don't use concealer. So I was just using my foundation. Yeah, and I'm just retouching my makeup. So that's it. That's the finished look. That's what it's looking like. Very subtle, very clean, very basic look, and I hope you give them a try. All the information will be in the description box. That's the color that I used. And yeah, check out the description for all the information and Imethod Beauty and how you can purchase this wonderful eyebrow kit. Thank you guys for watching. I love you all. Bye-bye.